Gather round, folks, for I have a tale to share that's more riveting than a suspenseful novel and warmer than a love story. Today, we embark on a journey through the captivating history of a modest yet vital creation, the shower caddy. Imagine a time when people had to balance their shampoos, soaps, and loofahs on precarious edges of bathtubs or shower floors. It was a slippery, soapy mess waiting to happen. But fear not, for the hero of our story, the shower caddy, was destined to change the way we shower forever. Our story begins in the mid-20th century, a time when the world was bustling with innovation. The bathroom was no exception, as it was the age of the modern bathroom, complete with gleaming porcelain fixtures and tile walls. But there was one problem that persisted. Where do you put all your shower essentials? Enter the brilliant and resourceful inventor. Let's call them Inventor X for dramatic effect. One fateful day, Inventor X stood in their shower, gazing at a collection of toiletries precariously perched on the edge of the bathtub. As they reached for the shampoo, disaster struck. The shampoo bottle slipped from its perch, and Inventor X found themselves in a slippery, soapy mess. But like any good inventor, Inventor X didn't give up. They saw the problem and decided to tackle it head-on. Armed with determination, a few tools, and an ingenious mind, they set out to create a solution to this shower time dilemma. The first prototype was a simple wireframe, designed to hang from the shower head. It had hooks for holding bottles, a shelf for soap, and even a place to hang a washcloth. But it was just the beginning. Inventor X continued to refine and improve their creation, experimenting with different materials and designs. Finally, after numerous trials and errors, they arrived at the perfect shower caddy design. It was made of rust-resistant materials, had adjustable shelves, and could be easily hung from the shower head or attached to the wall. It was the epitome of shower organization and convenience. Inventor X decided to patent their creation, and soon, the shower caddy was born. It was an instant hit. People everywhere embraced this ingenious invention, and it quickly became a staple in bathrooms around the world. No longer did anyone have to worry about slippery bottles or cluttered shower floors. The shower caddy revolutionized the way we showered. It brought order and organization to our daily routines, allowing us to enjoy our showers in peace and comfort. It became a symbol of bathroom ingenuity and a testament to the power of invention. So there you have it, the captivating tale of the shower caddy's origins. A story of one person's determination to solve a common problem and make our lives a little easier. The next time you hang your shower caddy and reach for your favorite shampoo, take a moment to appreciate the ingenuity and creativity that brought this indispensable invention into existence. And remember, even the simplest of innovations can have a profound impact on our daily lives. Happy showering!